What up, YouTube? I'm back. I was just seeing what y'all doing. I want to update that for real. I'm back. I was on the snow trail, but now I'm on the airport tycoon where you can actually build airports and different things. It said I got the much money, but I've been on the game for a long time. I got enough money. Bye. They got me. They say welcome. They will have a meeting about what airplane they would like to get on. Really, it don't phase me because you came to come here. I guess I'm not doing this money, Sebastian. But I told you, baby, I don't care. Y'all get to actually with me because I don't know. Like, get it right. Cause I feel like I won't walk instead. So I said, okay. Anyways, I just bought these cars, but it won't let me in them because I bought them. And they for the customer at the car. When you go to the airport, it's called I Love Airplane. But I am going to change the name when I get to that part. Now look at the message. So when you get up here, you fly out and go to the next one. Go to the next one. Then you keep going. Okay, let me get off of it. Okay, now we can get an autopilot whenever the thing fed. When you get the action, I think we can start buying that thing. I don't know where that path gonna lead to. It's probably gonna start letting the airplane fly. Where the airplane gonna go, or it's just probably a little local thing again. So let's go get some more boarding. Let me see if they'll let me bring you some big boot there. Probably not. We got my road boot. Yup. It's getting dark time. You get it hot again, so take it full of. Yeah, you just keep purchasing stuff. It really ain't gonna matter. So let's see, look at the market. The Raymond Country, 8:30. Delayed 11 o'clock. So I guess they is doing a little better at my place every single week. I just started playing this game yesterday and I'm already getting like more things. But you know, it don't matter to me. This is about Israel.